Hey everyone, it's Mr. Bryant. Hopefully you are staying safe and warm on this snowy day. Based on what I saw in yesterday's lesson, I want to have a few sample problems to clear up some confusion. So we're going to look at writing the explicit formula of an arithmetic sequence given the terms a sub 7 equals 19 and a sub 16 equals 55. This will work with any type of arithmetic sequence where it's non-consecutive terms. So when terms that are not back-to-back, like 7 and 8, 8 and 9, anytime there's a separation. So as we talked about, this mirrors the concept of slope, the y change over the x change. Now, we don't use x and y, we use numbered terms. Here, the numbered terms are 7 and 16. Now, the y term is represented by a sub n, or in this case, when the 7th term, it's 19, and the 16th term, it's 55. Now, a good thing to remember when you're trying to find the difference is bottom minus top. We're subtracting. Okay, the difference between 55 and 19 is 36. The difference between 16 and 7 is 9. The common difference is the ratio of a sub n over n. So the difference between the difference of 36 over the difference of 9, which gives me a total of 4. So that is my common difference. Now we need to use that value and replace it with d because we know that the common difference is now 4. The next thing we need to do is take one of these terms, which kind of mirrors a point, but it's also a term. And we're going to substitute it into the explicit formula. For example, with the number term 7, the a sub n term, or the a sub n value is 19. We're going to use that to find the a sub 0. Now 4 times 7 is 28. From there, we're going to subtract 28. And I get my a sub 0 term is negative 9. So for my explicit formula, it's a sub n equals negative 9 plus 4n. And a good way to check your work is to substitute the other term that you did not use and see if it matches, to see if you get the same value. So let's suppose I substitute a sub 16. Or 16 for n, I should say. That's negative 9 plus 4 times 16. 4 times 16 is 64. Negative 9 plus 64 is 55. So you can see that it checks. Okay, at this time, what I would like for you to do is to try a few things on your own in steps. I want you to try to find the common difference first. So you're going to set up your table. And try to find the common difference. So right now, I want you to pause, and I would like for you to try to find the common difference on your own. At this time, you should have found the common difference. Check your work and compare it to mine. The a sub n change is 10. The n change is 5. That means my common difference is 2 because it is constant all the way through. It's the same distance between one to the next. So just like I did, I'm going to plug in the common difference. Now, I could use either of those ports. I could choose 822, but I'm going to use 312. So 2 times 3 is 6. I'm taking away 6 from both sides. And that's how I get a sub 0. That means my explicit formula is a sub n equals 6 plus 2n. Once again, to check your work, you can substitute the other term to make sure that it checks. Okay, so when I substitute 8 for n, because my number term is 8, 2 times 8 is 16. 6 plus 16 is 22, which is the result that I had, so it checks. I hope everyone's staying safe. I hope you have a great 4-day week. I hope you have a great 3-day weekend. The expectation is that you're still showing up and getting your work done on Canvas today and on Desmos. If you have any questions, please call me, 847-731-9455.